On the night of April 20th, 1949, the People's Liberation Army started a campaign to cross the Yangtze River. The then 14-year-old Mao joined the battle with her eldest brother.
我们自己的保障就是挺高的，国家什么没有小车嘛，车上一边走15个，走30个结巴呢。
As the youngest sailor helping the army at that time, Mao along with her eldest brother, sailed their own small wooden boat. One steered and the other rowed.
我战斗，那敌人不打枪吗？国家的时候就还打个灯。
After applying a simple bandage, Mao still insisted on transporting 3 groups of PLA soldiers across the river. So why did the 14-year-old girl risk her life so bravely to join the campaign?
我中国人把敌人叫跑消灭了，我们以后我们承认共和制了。
The dream of a better life was a simple and firm wish held by thousands of ordinary people like Mao, who helped send PLA soldiers across the river. According to statistics, in the campaign to cross the Yangtze River, there were 10 civilian volunteers for every PLA soldier. The cotton-padded jacket worn by Mao when crossing the river 72 years ago is still on display at the Anhui Provincial Museum. This simple garment holds the message of the people's strength to overcome any difficulties alongside the CPC in the past century.